going to help my parents out by doing the dishes. The first thing that I'm going to do is tie my hair back. If you have long hair like me, you might want to tie it back too. Now, I'm going to wash my hands. You can sing the alphabet if you want. Before we can start to wash the dishes, we might want to put away the clean dishes that are already dry first. Now we can start to wash the dirty dishes. What we want to do is put all the dishes that can go inside of the dishwasher into the dishwasher. Make sure to empty out any water, that way we're not putting water into the dishwasher too. Try to be careful when you're handling things that could break, that way they don't. Gotta empty out the water. Now we can start to wash them. Your family might have a soap or a scrub brush. Either is fine. But what we want to do first is wash our hands again. Since I had just touched dirty dishes and now I'm going to touch ones that will be clean, we want to make sure that our hands are clean too. So what we have to do is if your thing doesn't come with soap, I want to make sure that I put soap on it. Now I can start to wash them. I want to make sure that the dish is wet first. Then I'm going to use my scrub brush, or my sponge when I clean it. We want to make sure that we scrub all the food off. Then we can dump it out. Now, let's get it wet again. You can scrub it one more time too. We also want to make sure that we get the other sides of the dish, like the bottom or the side. Now that the dish is clean, I will empty out the water and put it to dry. Now I can wash something else. I'm going to put more soap onto my scrub brush or my sponge and put some water on it. I want to make sure that I get every nook and cranny. And shake it out too to get all the water out. Now I want to rinse all the soap off. And shake all the water off and set it to dry. Now we can clean another dish. Put soap on the brush or sponge. Empty out the old water and put some new water in. And we're going to use our scrub brush or sponge to scrub it clean. We want to make sure that we also get the outsides. they could be dirty too. Now let's rinse off the soap. And set it to dry. Make sure that you leave the sharp knives or kitchen scissors for a parent to clean and don't touch them yourself. That could be dangerous. Once we're done cleaning the dishes, we want to wash our hands one more time. Now it's your turn.